Hello friends, welcome to our tutorial series of C programming. So in the last video lecture, we have studied about the introduction to C programming. In introduction to C programming, we have studied that what is C and what are the different reasons for learning C programming. So in today's video lecture, we will discuss the different features of C programming. Okay, now C programming having different features like simple, platform dependent, portability, powerful, structure oriented, modularity, case sensitive, middle level language, compiler based, and use of pointer. So we will discuss all these features of C programming one by one in detail. Okay, so as you know that C is a very simple, popular and easy language. C language is mainly used for develop desktop based applications. All other programming languages were derived directly or indirectly from C programming concepts. The language have different features. So what are these features? First feature is simple. Okay, so as I already told you that C programs can be written in simple English language so that it is very easy to understand and developed by programmer. Okay, so when we will write different C programs, then you will come to know that how simple and easy a C programming is, because program can be written in simple English language. Okay, second feature is platform dependent. Now what is the meaning of platform dependent? A language is said to be platform dependent whenever the program is executed in the same operating system where that was developed and compiled, but not run and execute on other operating system. So you can say C is a platform dependent programming language. Okay, the example of platform dependent is that you have write a C program on Windows operating system, then you can only execute and compile that program only on Windows operating system. You can not execute that program on any other operating system like Mac, Linux or Unix operating system. So you can say that C language is a platform dependent language. Okay, third feature is portability. Now what is portability? Portability is the concept of carrying the instructions from one system to another system. Now the example of portability is that you are writing a C program on Windows operating system, and then after writing a program you are copying that program and trying to execute on any other machine which is also having same operating system. So what will happen? Your program will also be executed and compiled in another machine which is having the same operating system. So C provides a feature of portability that you can run or execute a C program on different systems which is having the same operating system. So this is your portability. Fourth feature is powerful. So C language is a very powerful programming language. It have a wide variety of data types, functions, control statements, decision making statements, etc. So these are the different varieties that is provided by C language, like data types, functions, control statements, decision making statements. So we will discuss about all these statements in the later sections. Okay, next feature is fifth feature, that is structure oriented. Now C is a structure oriented programming language. Structure oriented programming language aimed on clarity of programs, and it reduce the complexity of code. Okay, if a program is very complex, then we can use structures to remove the complexity of any program. Okay, next is modularity. Now, modularity is the most important feature that is provided by the DBMS. Now, you should know about the modularity. Now, modularity is concept of designing an application in subprograms, that is procedure oriented approach. In C programming, we can break our code in subprograms. Okay, now what modularity is, you can say the modularity works on divide and conquer principle. Now you should know about the divide and conquer principle or approach. So divide and conquer approach, in divide and conquer approach, we will divide a problem into the sub problem, or you can say in sub parts. So after dividing a main problem into the sub problems, you will write the solution for each sub problem. Then after writing the solution for each sub problem, finally you will merge all the sub problems into one solution. Okay, merge or combine the sub problems solution into one solution. Okay, so any computer programmer who are developing different softwares, they can divide a software in small modules. Then they will write the codes for all the modules, and after writing the code for each the module, finally they will combine or merge that modules in one software. Okay, so this is the divide and conquer approach. So I hope modularity feature of C programming is clear to you. Next feature of C programming is case sensitive. Okay, so case sensitive is another feature of C language. Now in C programming, break BREAK, which is written in small letters, and another break which are written in capital letters. So both are different meaning in C language. So you can say case sensitive is also main feature of C language. Okay, so you have heard about other programming languages like C++, Java, .NET. So all these languages are case sensitive. Okay. Eighth feature of C programming is middle level language. Okay, so in the last video lecture, I have told you that computer languages are divided into two categories. First category is low level language and second category is high level language. Okay, so what is C? C programming can support two level programming instructions with the combination of low level and high level language. That's why it is called middle level programming language. So you can say C is a middle level programming language, and it is one of the most important feature of C programming. Okay, if you are preparing for any competitive exam, then you should know that C is a middle level language. Okay, ninth feature is compiler based. Okay, so if you want to run a C program, so first of all you need a compiler to execute and run a program or code. Okay, that means without compilation no C program can be executed. So first we need compiler to compile our program and then execute. So in the next video lecture we will discuss about the compiler and how we can install a compiler into our machine. So you should know this feature of C language, that C is a compiler based language. Okay, the last and the 10th feature of C programming is use of pointers. So pointer is a variable which holds the address of another variable. Pointer direct access to memory address of any variable. Due to this, performance of application is improved. In C language, also concept of pointers are available. Okay, so there is a chapter based on pointers in C language. So when we will study that chapter, then you will come to know in detail about the pointers, that how pointers can be used in C language. So these are the 10 features of C programming. One is simple, platform dependent, portability, powerful, structure-oriented, modularity, case-sensitive, middle-level language, compiler-based, and use of pointers. So I hope all the features of C programming are clear to you. Okay. So now we will meet in the next tutorial. So till then, bye bye. Thank you and thank you very much.